Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to get Siri on your iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is just go into the settings. Okay, open the setting, and now we just need to scroll down until we found a Siri and search. Then just click it, and after that make sure that listen for Hey Siri is in active mode. So the active mode will be like noted by a green color like this, and then just confirm that you want to enable the Siri. Okay, so now you just need to say this to like turn the Siri on. Okay, let's try. Hey Siri. You already get Siri on your phone. That's all for today's tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe into this channel if you find out this tutorial